Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Prop Hunt. First, select the Prop Hunt mode from the multiplayer menu. The game divides players into two teams, props and hunters. Props disguise themselves as various objects on the map, while hunters search for them. The objective for props is to survive the round, and for hunters, it is to eliminate all props. Teams swap roles after a set time or when all props are found. When you are a prop, your main goal is to hide effectively. Immediately after the round starts, choose an object that fits naturally into your surroundings. Try to find less obvious spots, like corners or cluttered areas. You have a decoy ability to create a fake prop, drawing hunter fire. Remember, your prop will emit a distinct whistle sound every 20 seconds, revealing your general location to hunters. As a hunter, your mission is to find and eliminate all the hidden props. Pay close attention to the environment for anything that looks out of place or unusual. Listen carefully for the whistle sound that props emit. It's a crucial clue to their location. Shoot suspicious objects, but be aware that you have limited ammunition. Firing at too many non-props will deplete your ammo quickly, leaving you vulnerable. For props, remember you can change your disguise multiple times throughout the round, adapting to new hiding spots. Hunters should communicate and divide the map into search zones to cover more ground efficiently. Knowing the map layouts well is a huge advantage for both teams, helping props find clever hiding spots and hunters identify common prop locations. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.